If you leave your car in front of the supermarket, you generally find it there again after shopping. But what would happen if you would park your car in space? Are there points in space where you can park your car safely? The famous mathematician Lagrange actually worked that out in the late 18th century. He actually found them in the Sun-Earth system, and in his honor, these points are called the Lagrange points. At a sufficient parking spot in space, the gravitational pull of the Earth and the Sun, as well as the centrifugal force due to the rotation around the Sun, have to cancel each other out. Two of the Lagrange points, L1 and L2, lay 1.5 million kilometers in front and behind the Earth on the Sun-Earth axis. L3 also lays on this axis about 150 million kilometers behind the Sun. But we haven't finished yet. There are two more, L4 and L5, which lie about at the same orbit as the Earth, but 60 degrees shifted relative to the Earth. A closer analysis of the points reveals that there are two types of Lagrange points, stable and unstable ones. The unstable Lagrange points, L1, 2 and 3, are like sharp mountaintops, and it's not easy to balance probes at these points. The Lagrange points L4 and 5, in contrast, are like valleys, and objects at L4 and L5 are relatively stable. But astronomers have found clever ways to stabilize probes on all the Lagrange points, and because of their very useful properties, there are already some operating probes at L1 and L2 today. But as space near the Lagrange points is limited, various nations are competing for the remaining parking spots, just like in our daily lives.